ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loomso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Menteri Katanar ki kampo yang ke Jylla uba lakmen rembui. Ulia tu baka Sorkar kampat Shim Rai Satya ha ka bayadai bat ke Thung ya Director General of Police bat Thymmai jong ke Jylla Meghalaya. Wala ke Union Public Service Commission kala dat pa lai tili ki kerteng jong ki Officer IAS ki bala kham rangba ban Shimti ye ke Shuki bahakli do jong Katanat Pulit ke Jylla Meghalaya. Hakajingnya keren bat kilal pathai khubor uba rembui ulaong baka Sorkar kadang bishar banyak ye ki kerteng ki bala menjur da ke UPSC mat shen ansa penbena pat ba andala pendep lut nadong shadong ye ki jingdon kam kat kum ki kindon thungkam.
Yes, the UPSC has recommended 3 names to be appointed as the new DGP. So the process is on. So we from the state government, we will analyze, we will choose which one is the best suited for the state, taking consideration the prevailing situation is the state, taking consideration also the unique nature of our state in Meghalaya. That is a mere speculation. We from the government we have not taken any decision yet, and it will take some time. Appointment of DGP will take some time. When I say we will take some time, because we have to analyze, we have to see, we have to find among the 3 who is the best. So we from the government, we will do whatever necessary that because this is a high office, so we have to choose carefully for interest of the state, for interest of the law and order in the state, for interest of the governance in the police itself. All formalities will be done in the appointing of the DGP. So as of now, since we have not started the process of appointing DGP have already started, because starting we have sent a name to UPSC, UPSC as recommending. So we will going to be analyzed and then we will inform you at appropriate time. A history, whatever empanelment, that is history, because the UPSC has recommended 3 names, and we will choose from that 3 names, one from that 3 names, and we will choose the best. Thank you.